अगर आपका शौक भी है सबसे अच्छी और जदीद इंग्लिश बोलना तो ये 500 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस लाजमी सीख लीजिए। दोस्तों, यूं ही आसानी उर्दू से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको हमारी मज़ीद वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। 500 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। I told you that computer is broken. We won the match and became champions. I passed 6th grade. I passed 6th grade. My sister graduated from school with first place. Didn't he tell you the other day? We played basketball last Sunday. The weather was beautiful yesterday. They left without saying goodbye to us. They hosted us very well. I said no, don't bother here. You were not at work last Monday. I learned that not everything on the internet is true. You were not at work last Monday. The weather will be warmer next week. Shall we go on vacation next week? Which country will you go to for a summer vacation this year? Will you come to school tomorrow? Will you come to school tomorrow? Are you going to buy a new house? Will Ali be able to get to the party in time? Will you come with me on a city tour of Paris tomorrow? Chris dropped his wallet. I will get it and give it to him. She is going to prepare the emails after the meet. I don't think Alex will hurt Jessica. I will ask him about it tomorrow. It will stay in the outside. They will go to school. Don't do something you will regret. You won't be fired. They will win the game. She won't watch the football match. I will make a tea. Will it hurt? So my dear friends, it is it for today. I hope आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा इस वीडियो से. Inshallah we will be talking in next video. Take care. Bye.